it's Liana here. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time to be here, remember to subscribe. Today I'll show you how to make an ottoman with storage using a plastic bucket. First, I'll ensure I remove the handle of the bucket. I'll then measure the bucket to enable me know the measurements of which to cut the form. This is an half an inch form. I'll do it double to ensure me get a good volume, because I should have gotten a 1 inch but it was not available at the shop. I'll then use the measurements of the bucket to cut it down. Continue watching and ensure you subscribe. Thank you. I'm then using this triangle cardboard to help me mark the holes. Between each hole is a measurement of 3 inches each. Those are the places that I'll do the tufting. Continue watching. I then cover the bucket using the fabric. I bought a 1 meter fabric, which is enough, before I start doing the tufting. Continue watching and ensure you subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video so far, and remember to leave us a comment in the comment section. For all the requirement to make an ottoman, I'll leave it at the description so that you can try. This is a lovely thing and it's easy to do. Thank you. I'm sealing the bottom of the bucket using my glue gun. After that, I'll continue with sealing the top. Continue watching. I'm then adding a piece of paper inside the bucket after flattening the staple pin that were poking to enable our ottoman have a good finish. For the lid of ottoman, I'll use a cardboard, and I'll also double the form to make it 1 inch. And I also improvised another board that I add there. Just watch and see how I do it. It's more or the same as we did the bucket. add buttons to the tufted parts. I add these tiny beautiful buttons, but you can use the crystal big ones if you can find them wherever you are. I'm adding the same buttons to the lid of the Ottoman. Watch and see how I do it. It's turning out really beautiful. This is something you should really try and leave as a comment. I will then add these decorations on the top part just to break the monotony. This is the outcome of our storage Ottoman. You see how beautiful it is. You can also make this. Ensure you subscribe and click on the button, on the bell button, so that you're able to get more of these tutorials. I will be posting them every week.